this is a Big and Small Bakers where you can learn with us how to make tasty dishes for your family and friends.
So what is the plan today?
So the plan I'm thinking is to make brownies.
Or any kind of brownie?
You know what we can do? We can make these delicious and very wonderful looking cheesecake brownies, or they're also called marbled brownies. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Great.
Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon. And follow us on Instagram.
Add half cup of butter to 115 grams of chocolate which is chopped. Melt the chocolate with the butter on a double boiler. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I am adding 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. Please note that I am adding so much sugar because the chocolate I use is dark, unsweetened with no added sugar to it. Mix properly till the entire sugar has been well incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add 2 large eggs, one at a time. Make sure that you mix after adding each egg. Now add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Now we have to stir the batter vigorously till such time it becomes smooth and glossy. It will take around 5 to 8 minutes. See, the batter looks very shiny. Now this is ready. Take out 1/4 cup of this batter and keep it separately and pour the remaining in a cake tin which has been lined with a tin foil. Spread it with the help of a spatula. Make sure that it is evenly spread and it is smooth. Keep this aside while we prepare our cream cheese layer. Beat 1 cup of cream cheese till it becomes very smooth. Make sure that your cream cheese is not very cold. Now I'm adding 1 large egg and around half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Also add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and mix everything properly. I am using homemade cream cheese over here. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know the recipe. Our cream cheese mixture is ready. This is how it should look. Now spread this cream cheese evenly over your brownie layer. With the help of your spatula, make sure that everything is smooth and evenly spread. Time to make our swirls. Take the 1/4 cup of the brownie mixture and add around 2 tablespoons of warm water to this. We are adding water to this so that it becomes little thinner and it becomes easier to spread. The brownie mixture with the help of a spoon. You can make any pattern. I am just putting them 2 inches apart. With the help of a toothpick, you can make your swirls by running it through the brownie mixture. Just keep doing it till you are satisfied with the pattern that you have. You have to bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for at least 35 minutes. When it's done, the sides will become a little brown, and when you insert a toothpick, it'll just come out with a few crumbs. We have to keep in the refrigerator for several hours or overnight before we can cut into squares. Take it out from the cake tin and peel off the tin foil from the brownie. Take a sharp knife and dip it into hot water, wipe it dry, and then cut your brownie squares. These two beautiful layers of the brownie and the cheesecake, and I've cut all the squares, and look at the beautiful marbled pattern over here. The cheesecake is of wonderful taste. The brownie is absolutely delicious.
Wow, I love it.
I hope you like the recipe. Please do try it and leave your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to tag us on Instagram.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye till next time.